on this amazing kajal which I recently discovered. It's called Plum Nature Studio All Day Wear Kohl Kajal. I picked it up from plumgoodness.com. I'll put the link in the description box. So it says Nature Studio All Day Wear Kohl Kajal. Free home delivery across India. Priced at $425. 100% smudge proof, 100% preservative free. It is an approved kajal pencil with a gel liner like performance. 100% smudge proof, waterproof, single swipe, brilliant black kohl cum liner that's also gentle on your eyes. Welcome to Nature Studio, where it's all about the glam minus the harm. Get the look of a gel liner in a simple pencil format, easy to use, studio finish and filled with goodness. Reasons to love it: soft creamy gel based single swipe darkest black, 100% smudge proof and waterproof, brilliant black that looks just applied even after 12 hours, preservative free, paraben free, mineral oil free, paraffin free, rich in vitamin E for care and protection, 100% vegan formula, not tested on animals. Full size 1.2 grams pencil, 4 times the kajal found in Twister kajals, which contain 0.31 grams, lasts at least twice as long, made in Germany. I just picked it up from the site. So this is the plumgoodness.com. Everything is there in the site, like precisely everything is explained. Now what it claims is just exactly. Now when I go for a kajal or a mascara, I want it waterproof, smudge free, messy free, all that. I want it in a kajal and mascara. Otherwise there's no use of me wearing it, because after some time I'll be looking like as if somebody punched my eyes. So I would like it that way. Otherwise I wouldn't go for a kajal or mascara, because whenever I wear it, it will be for some occasion and I'll be out for the whole day. Now guys, this is the one which I'm talking about. I love it just because it is so good. Now when I wear kajal, I not only wear it thin, I like to wear it thick, like how you can see it right now. I'm wearing it right now on my lower eyes and even on the upper eyes, and I like it thick. That's when I wear kajal. I usually don't wear a kajal, but when I wear it, I like to wear it thick. Now when I wear it thick, you know, sometimes it just spreads out here, because when I smile, my cheeks touches out here and it usually comes on my cheeks. But with this, it just didn't come. I've been trying many kajals till now from Revlon, Faces. I really like it, but unfortunately it usually comes out here and I have to like wipe it off very gently before it gets like quite messy. But with this, it just didn't happen. I have worn it at least 10 times till now, or even more maybe. I have not come across any situation as such where I have to wipe it and you know clear out any fallouts or anything. It's not happened yet. That's why I took my own sweet time to review it. I wore it maybe 10 times or more than that, and now I want to share it with you. With any other long wear kajals, smudge proof kajals, whenever I apply it on my upper line, like the eyeliner, it really comes out here also. It's after some time it's all spread out here, like you'll see a cut crease out here, a line of black out there. I didn't experience that with this. I seriously didn't experience that with this. You can see it's just not spread. It's been half an hour after applying this. It's seriously nice. I love it. Very easy to glide on. What I like is it's very easy to glide on, and even if you make a mistake, you can like quick it up. You can just shift it up with the finger. It comes out like little fast. Like if you do it immediately. Except like if you do it with the gel liners and other kajals, it just doesn't budge and it's such a mess. You eventually have to do it with a makeup remover. This was very easy to work with. So as for a beginner also, this is really good. It's very easy to apply. It just does not hurt your eyes. I have very sensitive eyes, so it's really very gentle on the eyes. Its packaging is nothing great. It's just like a simple drugstore pencil, nothing fancy, nothing exclusive. But I don't go for that. I want something which really works. So this is really appropriate. And the tip, if you see other kajals, it's quite hard. So even if you sharpen it, and once you're using it, if it's getting over, I don't know if it makes sense, and the tip is there, it just hurts your eyes at times. It's happened to me many times. I've been forgetting to sharpen it with the tip. I'll be like trying to do it and then I really literally cut my eyes. This is quite soft. It's not like a very hard stuff. It's plastic or what, I don't know. So I think it's really safe even if you are just not sharpened it completely. I've not tried it yet because last time I had a very bad experience. So this doesn't seem too hard. That's what I like about it. Earlier they had sharpener coming with this, like for 425 they had sharpener too. And when I brought it, I think it was late. There was no sharpener accompanied with the pencil. So I didn't buy a sharpener separate because I already have loads of sharpeners. So it was fine for me. I really don't like pencil kajals because it's such a headache to keep sharpening it. I usually go for the twister one. But fortunately, I really like this one. And I don't mind sharpening it because it's really worth it. If you have something which does not spread even after like 10 to 12 hours, it's just stuck on your eyes like how it was, I don't mind sharpening it. As it says, it gives a gel liner effect. It really gives a gel liner effect, maybe better than a gel liner effect, because it's really nice. Because I've been using even the Maybelline gel liner simultaneously, but that does not last as long as this lasts, and it isn't even so jet black as this. This gives a very beautiful finish on the lower line like a kajal, whereas a gel liner does not give. I prefer this over gel liners actually. As I said, I like long wear, smudge proof, waterproof kajals. But I want to even tell this that it's a big headache to actually get rid of it with a makeup remover or with oil. It's a big mess. It just spreads and it's such a headache. Usually after I get rid of my kajals and gel liners and everything, I really looked as if somebody really bashed me up. But fortunately this gets off very easily with just 2-3 swipes. It really gets off very easily. That's what I really like about this, though it's long wear and smudge proof and gives a gel line effect. It does not mess it up while removing it. It's very easy to remove it. So I really like this one and I highly recommend this. If you like something which stays for long, which is smudge proof, which is not messy look, not punched look, and remains just the way it is like you applied it for even after 10 to 12 hours. As for the delivery, I don't know how fast they deliver it, maybe like 4 to 5 days in Mumbai. I don't know exactly how many days, but they were very professional, very systematic. I kept getting mails when it is going to be delivered and everything. And one thing I didn't like was they had left in the site, leave a comment if you have any comment before getting it dispatched. So I had written that please call before delivery, which they didn't do, which I didn't like because most of the time nobody's there at home. And yes, the guy came to deliver it when no one was there and he couldn't wait for like 15 minutes because I was out. So he had to come the next day. Not a big issue as such, but if you have left an option as whatever comment you want to give before it getting dispatched or something, then it should make sense if you follow the comment. Otherwise there's no use of writing what I want. Otherwise, if you just keep all this aside, this is super good. It's amazing. I will be repurchasing this like forever till it goes out of stock, till if something better comes up. I have been trying so many kajals till now and I haven't got this effect, the jet black and the beautiful effect. I haven't got that. So I love this and I'll be sticking to this. Yeah, I actually went for this because I've been hearing so much from other YouTubers about this, raving about this, and on my makeup group I had asked which is the best kajal which you like, and someone had commented at the Plum, and that was my ultimate decision. I had to go for this because I've been already hearing and watching so much, and then I posted this question and it was eventually my decision and I ordered it and I got it. That's all my super babies. I hope you found this video useful, and if you did, don't forget to rate it by hitting a like because it might help someone or the other. And all the links to all my social media will be put in the description box. I have a makeup group on Facebook which is really happening better than my pages. So I really like my makeup group. You can join it only for ladies, and people who really love makeup can join it. I have pages on Facebook, many pages. You can see that also in the description box. You can even contact me on Twitter and on Instagram and everywhere. I'm all over the social media. So that's all, and see you later in some other video. Bye bye.